Given the following thermal information, urea reacting with oxygen gives CO2, H2O, nitrogen. This is the enthalpy of the reaction. We can say this is enthalpy of combustion of urea. Bond enthalpies are given for nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, NH, NC, C11O, and graphite to gaseous carbon, that is sublimation we can say, atomization we can say. Even urea converting into the gas, sublimation energy is given. Enthalpy of formation of carbon dioxide is given, enthalpy of formation of H2O is given. They are asking to find the resonance energy of urea. Having all this data, how to find resonance energy? The formula for resonance energy of urea is equals to experimental enthalpy experimental minus enthalpy theoretical. Where do we get this experimental? From enthalpy of formation of urea. And where do we get this? From bond energy calculations of urea. Bond energy, resultant bond energy for the enthalpy of formation of urea. What is the resultant bond energy? If I am taking these two, that will give you the resonance energy. So what is the first thing I have to do is I have to take the equation. The equation which is given to us is urea, which is in the solid state, undergoing combustion 3 by 2 O2, giving rise to CO2 plus 2H2O plus N2. Enthalpy of combustion is given minus 632 kilojoule. Now if I take this is enthalpy of formation, this is 0. Here enthalpy of formation of carbon dioxide, enthalpy of formation of water, this is 0. Now enthalpy of combustion is equals to, enthalpy of combustion will be equals to enthalpy of formation of carbon dioxide, products minus reactants, so plus 2 times enthalpy of formation of H2O minus enthalpy of formation of urea. Substituting the data, minus 632 is equals to, carbon dioxide is given minus 394 plus 2 into minus 286 minus enthalpy of formation of urea. So from this, if I find enthalpy of formation of urea, what will be the answer? Enthalpy of formation of urea is equals to, the answer we'll be getting is minus 334 kilojoules. This will be your experimental data. So keep it aside as equation 1. Now formation of urea. If I take formation of urea, the reaction, urea is formed NH2 CO NH2 from the respective elements nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon in graphite, and oxygen. So nitrogen should be 2, hydrogen is 2H2, 1 carbon, half O2, gives you this side. But to apply your concept of bond energy, I need to do a small change over here. What is that is, if I take this particular one, in the bond energy calculations, I need all to be in the elemental. Now the bond energy calculations, the purpose is to break everything into respective atoms, and this can happen only in the gaseous state. So when it comes to the carbon, what will be here? Carbon should move from graphite to gas. This is atomization. When it comes to urea, it has to move from urea solid to urea gas. Then the bond energy calculations can be applied, plus bond energy calculations. So this is your hint in the question. You need to understand this part. you cannot directly substitute those data. So this additional part has to be taken care in this particular. So what will be the overall enthalpy theoretically? Overall enthalpy theoretical, let's say theoretical, is bond energy of reactants, bond energy of N2 plus 2 times the bond energy of H2 plus enthalpy of sublimation of carbon, graphite, plus half into bond energy of O2. This is all your reactant side, minus your enthalpy of sublimation of urea, minus in your urea you will be having these NH2 C double bond O NH2. This is your formula. So we have 4 NH bonds, 4 times the bond energy of NH plus, sorry, minus of bond energy of CO bond, one CO bond is there, minus 2 times the bond energy of CN bonds. So if you substitute all this data, you'll get an answer that is equals to bond energy of nitrogen. How much is the nitrogen given? 942. Okay, plus 2 into 436 plus 717 plus half into 498. This is all your reactant side, minus 90 plus 4 into 386 plus 2 into 304 plus 800, which is equals to 2780 minus 3042, which is minus 262 kilojoules. Now when you take this particular one, your enthalpy of formation, when you take here, we have got the resonance energy is equals to experimental minus theoretical. Experimental minus theoretical. Just see experimental how much we have got, minus 334. Theoretical how much we got, minus of 262. So this is minus 334 plus 262, which is equals to minus of 72 kilojoules. So the answer is minus 72 kilojoules.